Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this LinkedIn automation tools platform, which is Dux-Soup. So to get started, Dux-Soup is a LinkedIn automation tools built to simplify lead generation, outreach, and follow-ups in 2025. It remains one of the most widely used tools for LinkedIn-based sales and networking. It automates actions like provide receipt, connection request, personalized messages, emails, endorsement, and drip campaign, all without needing a manual input. With integrations for CRMs like HubSpot, PepDrive, and Salesforce, Dux-Soup helps users track scores and manage leads directly from LinkedIn activities. It's especially popular among recruiters, 2B2 marketers, and sales professionals who rely on LinkedIn to outreach high-value prospects at scale. The platform supports both Chrome-based users and cloud automation, offering a dashboard, campaign analytics, webhook-based integration for deeper workflow customization. Dux-Soup offers a free version with a very limited features, while paid tiers start at around $15 for Pro and $55 monthly for Turbo user, and $99 monthly cloud for each, unlocking progressive advanced features like CRM synchronization, tagging, campaign tracking, and 24 hours automation. I love how it saves hours of manual outreach, but there are clear trade-off: browse automation that can slow down your LinkedIn performance, and excess automation can trigger warning or restriction from LinkedIn. The user interface can also feel a bit technical for beginners, and top-tier features are only available in the higher price plan, until for professionals who understand LinkedIn limit and use the tools responsibly. Drop Tools is highly effective growth solution in 2025, especially for those looking to automate LinkedIn lead generation at scale. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform, and if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.